The hottest tech out there.
Some move to stay healthy. Some move to stay strong. And some, well, they just move to stay sane. We are Drankful. Over the last 2 years, we've worked tirelessly to create a family of hydration products designed to move with you, not against you. And this is our story. It's 2019, and this guy sets off into the mountains on an early morning run. When he runs, he gets thirsty, which is why he brought along a hydration pack to drink from. But there was a problem. Moving with a hydration pack made running clunky, sloppy, and honestly, a bit dorky. And he couldn't help but think to himself, this could be better. Then he had an idea. What if there was a way to create a hydration pack that felt smooth, no matter what terrain you were on, kept everything neat and secured in place, and actually felt good to wear? So he got to work, and for the last 2 years, he crafted, obsessed, and sweated over every single detail. Introducing Stealth by Drankful, the smoothest way to move with your hydration. What makes the Stealth Pack so smooth and so fast? It's the way the reservoir rests like a pillow in the pack, taking the pressure away from your spine and leaving absolutely no room for fluids to bounce or move. It's the way it's brilliantly organized, where your hydration and your gear are separated by a drawbridge shelf space, keeping your items neat, tidy, and secure. But perhaps above all, it's the hidden features and quick access that makes grabbing your essentials on the go extremely fast. It's true, Stealth was created to glide you through trails and rugged landscapes with ease. But that didn't mean you always had to be on your feet. Because of the weather-resistant shell, the compact and secure hydration storage, and the next-level stabilization, Stealth works remarkably well for mountain bikers too, providing riders with exceptional mobility and steadiness to dominate any trail that comes their way. Delivering smooth, balanced, and more enjoyable adventures is what Stealth is all about. But we didn't stop there. We kept things going with a few more tricks up our sleeve. For the Kickstarter crowd, we're also unleashing 2 waist packs designed to accompany you no matter the distance and no matter the journey. For those quick pickups, the minimalist-looking yet feature-loaded running waist pack expands to load all of your essentials, then automatically compresses to stay tight and secure to your body, eliminating unnecessary bulk and maximizing efficiency. And then the mountain bike waist pack. It's for those who like to mix up their hydration on their hips, rather than on their back. With the same reservoir that's used in the Stealth Pack, this is designed to completely eliminate the clunky feeling that's associated with traditional lumbar packs, and replace it with nothing but agility and comfort. You see, when you wear Drankful's products, hydration becomes less noticeable, therefore less annoying, giving you the freedom to focus on your adventure and not your pack. So whether you're one of the movers or one of the shakers, or anyone in between, it doesn't matter. Just buckle up. You're in for a smooth ride. So where will Stealth take you? Back this pack now, share with a friend, and we'll see you out on the trail.
We are Tego, and with your help, we make products for adventurers. This is the best one yet. On Kickstarter, you said, I love this idea, and I need to organize my technology doodads, my bike tools, my dog toys, my art supplies, and my horse's makeup, but there's no bag designed for me and my stuff. So how do you make a bag that's perfectly different for everyone? Well, challenge accepted. Introducing the Tego Adventure Kit, the world's first bag designed by you, for you. What does that mean? 7 sections, for now, that you slide together to create hundreds of carry options for your stuff. Tego adapts itself to you, not the other way around. And just to make sure the slides are as durable as the rest of the bag, we tested them 5 1,000 times. The 7 sections include a waterproof compartment, 2 mesh zipper pockets, plenty of elastic straps, cord wraps, 2 big mouth pockets, and even an exterior pocket, all to organize essentials of any shape and size. It's tough, durable, and machine washable. Load it up, roll it up, and everything will be exactly where you packed it, safely separated from petri dishes. I mean, countertops. You can hang it, lay it flat, or drape it on anything handy. It still handles toiletries effortlessly. But now, it fits everything else you carry. Mascara and bike tools, dongles and dog toys, chargers and cables, utensils and stencils, spices and devices. Okay, you get it. Best of all, Tego is a purchase with purpose. We're climate neutral certified, and every roll is made from 2.7 recycled soda bottles. Tego is for everyone who adventures: commuters, parents, travelers, artists, mechanics, and you. Whether your adventure is fly fishing or working on that next novel, we organize adventure. Thanks to you. This is our 3rd campaign, and hopefully the biggest one yet. As we say a lot, every good idea we've had came from you. Thank you for letting us turn your frustrations into solutions for you, for us, and the planet. Let's roll.
We bet you've been there. Your devices always die at the worst. Your devices always die at the worst. Having a power bank helps, but we're not strong enough to charge your gadgets. We're not strong enough to charge your gadgets. We bought and tested countless power banks and tested all the features we wanted and weren't available. All the features we wanted weren't available. So we made it our mission to make the power bank that covers all your the power bank that introducing Bold by introducing Bold that fast charges all your devices. That fast charges all your devices all at the same time. Bold is the world's most powerful portable battery pack. Most powerful portable battery pack. 260 ultra fast charging Panasonic. Ultra fast charging Panasonic. Your Bold charged batteries get your Bold charged to 70%. Making sure you always have juice on. Making sure Bold is a power socket in your pocket. Bold is a maximum allowed airline safe maximum allowed airline safe 100 watt hours or 27,000 hours or 27,000. That's enough to charge your iPhone 12. That's enough to charge your iPhone 12. Your Switch 6 times. Or your Switch full charges for the new M1 charges for the latest gen PPS technology. The latest gen PPS technology makes Bold compatible with Apple and Samsung. Our laptop adapters range from allowing you to pass Surface Pro. Say hello to next level power. Say hello to next Bold's innovative LCD screen. Using Bold's innovative LCD screen. Showing you Bold's aircraft grade anodized. Bold's aircraft grade anodized aluminum body has excellent help regulate battery temperature. That help regulate battery temperature. With scratch and impact resistant. With scratch and impact charging smarter. And use Bold as a hub. Pass-through charging enables you to charge 5 devices while charging 5 devices. Use as a team of geeky and obsessed designers and engineers. Use the power of AI engineers. Use the power of AI. We want to revolutionize. We want to revolutionize. We created for you the end-to-end high performance charging. End-to-end high with a 100 watt ultra fast with a 100 watt ultra fast GAN charger. Bold fast charging. Huge capacity. By versatile charging options and unprecedented charging options makes Bold the only power bank. Makes Bold the only power bank user ever. Join this project and help us make this project reality. And help us make Bold a huge leap for portable power. This is a huge leap for portable power. By use. It's Bold. By use.
We made the most epic dry bag in the world, and now we decided to make it even better. It's been bashed, slashed, stressed, stretched, thrown, and pushed around the world over and over, from the highs to the lows, to make sure it's the most extreme dry bag you could ever get your hands on. If you're new to us and our bags, here are some of the main features. The bag's got the highest quality of waterproof zippers, making it waterproof down to 50 meters or 164 feet depth. Oh, and by the way, these are the same they use for military rescue suits. The design makes the bag extremely strong and completely airtight to not only keep moisture and water away, but also float, fully packed with an adult on top in case of emergency. On the inside of the bag, you have an optional add-on with a shockproof inflatable system. It's operated by an oral inflator, which creates a 360-degree protection for all your sensitive gear. The shockproof system also comes with an extra pocket to store your valuables and smaller items. It can also be attached across the bag to act as a divider to keep your gear even more organized. The chest strap is fitted with a high-performance Cobra buckle. The bag has detachable straps thanks to the aircraft-graded 7075 aluminum alloy hooks. We also included a safety button so you always know that the zip is fully closed and waterproof. The straps have a simple design to easily adjust the bag to your preference, making the bag more ergonomical, fitting perfectly to your body. And what would a bag be without a smart pack system? But unlike most bags, ours can be taken out fully as a separate individual bag that is water repellent. It also comes with a big extra pocket, perfect for laptops, clothing, or small accessories. A removable pack system is perfect when you want to utilize as much space as possible inside the bag and don't have the need for a pack system. It's also really convenient in case you want to swap all your stuff into another bag, and all you gotta do is take out this pack system and swap the bags. So, what have you upgraded with this 3.0 version of the Pro DRYBAG? Firstly, we're now using an even more durable Hypalon material.
Oh, sorry, it's me again. But yeah, this is the same stuff they use on the rib boats by the Special Forces. You're welcome.
Secondly, the magnetic handle has been improved, making it even easier to carry your bag with one hand. Also, the grips on the side have been adjusted to make it even more ergonomical and easy to open and close the bag quickly and safely. We also upgraded the straps for improved comfort, especially when you're carrying heavy weight. For the shockproof inflatable system, we installed a deflation valve to get the air out faster.
Okay. I know. But just one more thing. Not only are we using the same materials as the military, but they are actually using our bags on a daily basis around the world. We got Air Force, we got the Navy, we got Special Forces, we got the Coast Guard, we got Marine Police, we got sea rescue teams and more. I mean, you're welcome. Again.
Finally, since most gear and devices are in dark colors, we made the pack system in yellow to make it easier to find what you need right away. Alright, enough of what we think about the bag. Here's just a little taste of what our athletes want to say to you.
The bag is the most important equipment that you're going to carry in an expedition, because every single thing depends on this bag. And Subtech is my only option deciding where I'm going to put my valuable objects.
I love how light, versatile they are. I love the way they seal and protect my gear. I've had so many other bags. I've worked with a lot of other bag companies, and I'm really addicted to this bag. It's safe, sound, and dry. So I recommend everyone to buy one, to test one, and you won't regret it. It's amazing durability, quality, and you can see it just came back from adventure, so it's a little bit dirty. So it's actually because I use these bags a lot. Super unique, very different from any bag you can find in the market. Subtech is the way to go.
And also during the Atlantic, they're going to serve multi-purposes, because what we really like about them is the buoyancy. So we can use the buoyancy as another safety measure. It can actually even be the difference between life and death.
Pretty amazing. I use it quite often. It's obviously waterproof, but also very robust, and it's had a bit of a hammering. It's got a bit scratches and that, but man, it's got no holes. That's the main thing for me. Very important. Very comfortable to wear, and it can fit everything I need and more for adventures. It's got customizable inserts, so it fits my camera gear amazingly well. The drone just pops straight in here. The zip has this great big strong toggle on it, and just zip right to the end. Boom, waterproof.
We wanted to prove to you that these bags are designed to be in the most extreme environments. So if seeing all this footage from all our athletes around the world wasn't enough, we decided to strap the bags onto a 3-ton truck and drive it into the freezing sea.
this. We're actually floating on water right now.
Do you still worry about buying different phone cards when you go to different places? Have you ever used the network signal without cross-border barriers? Now, WICOMM will take you to enjoy a more easy and convenient way of business travel communication. WICOMM has customized barrier-free communication data equipment for business travel users around the world. Use the newly developed Cloud SIM technology, do not need to carry a SIM card, and directly use global data. The faster upload and download speed supports simultaneous connection of more than 8 devices. The network signal covers more than 90 countries around the world, and enjoy the data cost as low as $3 per gigabyte. As long as you carry WICOMM equipment, the network signal will follow you wherever you go, whether you are traveling for personal use or participate in international business meetings. WICOMM can meet your communication needs.